I was gifted this steam cleaner by the brand and I am genuinely so impressed at how well it works.
It comes with 16 accessories and it's designed to deep clean using only high temperature steam, so there's no need for harsh chemicals. It heats up in about 15 seconds and produces steam up to 221 degrees with 3 bars of pressure, making it easy to loosen stubborn dirt, grease, and grime.
My husband just cleaned our entire shower, including the grout and the glass, and this worked perfectly on all of it. It is so easy to use, it heats up so fast, and it comes with multiple attachments. This opens up here to add your water. The water basin is deceivingly large, and it also has a plug on the bottom that you can open to drain. I also love that it comes with gloves, so you're not going to be burning yourself while you're using this. And the attachments are so easy to change. All you have to do is twist and pull it off. And then to add one, you just line it up and twist it on.
Another feature I really like is the 6 adjustable steam levels. You can increase or decrease the steam depending on what you're cleaning, so you can use a lower setting for more delicate surfaces or turn it up for tougher jobs.
I also love the color detail. I think this is such a gorgeous green, and it's just such a fun addition to have a pretty color on this. I'm going to show you the box so you can see the different heads that it comes with. To clean the shower, we used the nylon brushes, the glass scraper, and the bend nozzle. And they all worked so well.
It also comes with a long steam hose and power cord, which makes it so much easier to move around your home and even clean your car without having to feel super restricted. Plus, the water tank holds 1¼ liters of water, so you're not constantly having to stop and refill it. I also really love that this only uses water to clean, so there's no chemicals, odors, or leftover residue, which is really great because I do have toddlers and pets, so I really prefer a more natural way to clean. Overall, if you're looking for one machine that can tackle kitchens, bathrooms, floors, windows, furniture, or even car detailing, this portable steam cleaner is a really versatile option. It did such an amazing job on our shower, and I'm so excited to try it in other places of our house. The combination of the powerful steam, adjustable settings, and all of the included 16 accessories makes this a great addition to your cleaning routine. If you're in the market for a new steam cleaner, I highly recommend checking this one out.
Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.
And if you're interested in seeing the rest of the clips from cleaning our shower, I will insert them here.